Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Alright, so today you can see the sweet potato is blooming some beautiful flowers. It's flowering and the bees are pollinating the sweet potatoes. There are bees buzzing everywhere. Buzzing, buzzing bees. You can see the bees buzzing. Yep. They're pollinating the sweet potatoes. Beautiful sea of sweet potato. So we're going to do another update. So follow me along. Oh, this plant here is called redhead. It's very beneficial to people who are suffering from asthma, stuff like that. Asthma, or you have chest cold. This is very, very useful. Alright. So let's continue. I have some beads here. You can see these beans are actually running on the sweet potato. Some more over here. Boy, me pop it off. They are so fragile. Yeah, so let's go down further on the farm so you can see what's really taking place. Alright. So the banana got some water the other day. The rains came, and so hopefully it's doing well. The planting is here as well. Of course, the cocoa and the pumpkin, not pumpkin, melon here spreading out. And guess what? My pumpkin is putting on blossom, and bees pollinating the pumpkin as well. Yeah, pumpkin putting on blossom, and so is this one as well. So I'm very excited about that. More blossom here. Oh, you see the bees in the pumpkin blossom? Whoa. Alright. So guys, I haven't been on the farm in 2 days because Scotty's wife rather, was not feeling well, so he wasn't able to come this week, so he's not gonna come until next week. But everything just look like magic over here. Alright, I'm just coming over here and I can't believe what I'm seeing. The melon putting on blossom. Everything just looks fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. Oh, I found this the other day. I said I'm gonna leave it here. It's like one of those old time enamel cups. So I said I'm gonna leave it as a souvenir. Remember these old time enamel cups? Granny used to drink their coffee and tea out of bush tea. So I leave it right here in the farm as a souvenir. There's also something down here. It looks like a chimney. What we call a chimney. It's enamel, but it has rot. So yeah, I saw those on the side there. Alright guys, so I have some pumpkin here running up on the fence, and we're gonna go down further now and see what's really going on with the carrots. Well, 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 look who has burst out. The okras. See, that's okra you're looking at. Okra, more okra, more okra, more okra, okra over there, okra everywhere, okra, okra, okra. Yeah. And this is the corn. corns have burst as well. See corn there. And so I'm gonna zoom up so you can see the carrots. Okay, so that's the carrot right there. Carrot hatching all over the place. Yep. That's carrot. And we have more corns here going across. Corn. Oops. Careful not to step on the carrot. Corn going across. More corns. More corn. And so in the past 2 days that I haven't been on the farm, there has been a lot of changes. Lot of changes. Yeah. And you can see that all of these sweet potatoes has catch off. This variety that I'm trying to see how they perform. Here's some more corn. And down here we have some more corn too, but we also have okra. Okra. Corn. Corn. Okra. Okra. And the pines looking beautiful. Some more okra down there as well. And that's the pine. And this man over here is Rasta. He's the one who cleaned over the other side of the farm. And now he's preparing this side of the land for... What you prepare the land for, Rasta?
Yam.
Yam. So he's gonna clean it up so we can plant the yam down here. Of course, all these bushes you're looking at on the right side, we're gonna chop them out. These trees, we're gonna cut them, and so we can you know, clear up the land for the yam. So some people would say, why are you cutting down all the trees? Well, I'm cutting down to plant. Look at it like that. I'm cutting down the trees to plant food. So I'm cutting to plant back. But I'm not cutting, I'm not gonna go too far. I'm just going to do a reasonable portion for now, and then I can expand as time goes on. Yeah. So that's the idea. So Rasta, what going? And Rasta was telling me the other day that he is he used to work for my grandmother. And my grandmother died 17 years ago. May her soul rest in peace. But I was very close to her. Very, very close to her. So Rasta, what are some of the experiences you had with my grandmother?
Oh, you mean mama?
Yeah man, mama.
In serious man, say long plan gungu. You know being gungu grung, you know?
Yes,
And he
yes,
came for mama, sending for my yard for him.
yes.
Yeah man, good friend them man.
Your grandmother used to send over
Mama used to send gungu for yard.
for my grandma?
For yeah man, auntie that.
Oh yeah?
Yeah man.
Okay. Rasta,
Yeah?
me no mean to take you off of your work, but I want you to tell me the story again of how that story you tell me that got me laughing so hard the other day.
Oh.
When you tell me about the Negro man.
Oh, you did?
How you say that story they go?
Oh, me no remember.
No, the big Negro man.
Oh yeah. Tell me go a doctor.
Yeah.
Oh, me go a doctor and he joke me and he drop down.
Eh? Oh yeah, tell me how it go, man. Tell me how it go like how you tell me it, man.
Oh, me no remember.
You say your granny carry you go a doctor.
Yeah?
And doctor put you for lay down.
Yeah, and joke me.
And you said the doctor come out with beer instrument.
Lord God, I fright master.
And from that the time you say you hate Negro.
Lord God, me afraid of nigga.
Oh my God. So Scotty's wife isn't feeling too well, so Scotty, you know, has to be there for her. So he hasn't come all week. So next week he said he's gonna come. So we can plant up some more things. Of course, I got some more pineapple suckers. And I have beetroot, I have beetroot, what else? String beans, I have turnip. I have a lot of seeds, so we're gonna plant up, plant up, plant up next week. Next week is all about the planting. Here's your thing, Rasta.
Ah.
But what I noticed, guys, is that the side of the carrot that actually have shade, have the shade of the tree, is the part that is really springing up fast. But this side now that has less shade isn't, you know, they're just bursting out, as you can see. So I don't know, some people would say the shade is not good for it, but in this case it look like it's good for it, because they have all hatched over that side. And you can see the pineapples there looking good. And the cassavas, boy, the cassava them take off. Let's go look at the cassava. And this tree we're gonna plant right here, what you call it, chocho, and let it run up on this tree here. All right, so let's go see the sweet cassava. The sweet cassava springing up. Yes, they have catch off. And you know, this is not a lot of sweet cassava. Just want to put every little thing on the farm. Pumpkins here. Let's go take a look at the melon. Pumpkin here. Alright. So, guys, the melon has put on, look, a baby melon. Baby melon coming already. So we're going to watch this melon. I'm not going to watch it too much, but I want to see if this melon actually comes out good. So we're going to come back like in a couple of days and check back on the melon. Okay. And over this side where the dashings are, it needs to weed out. There's some bushes growing in between, but the dashings have catch off good. Dashings, dashing. Alright. So Hunter has not finished cleaning off the land. He needs to come and finish up so we can really get this thing going. Because you can see this is a nice size land to do some really nice farming. But this part that is clean right here, Scott is going to plant it up next week when he comes. Should have been here, but as I said, his wife isn't well. Okay, so we're waiting on Scotty. Alright, so I'm gonna turn the camera on me for a change. Yes, guys, so I know you always hear me talking, hardly see me on the camera, so I just turned the camera on me. But as you can see, look at my hair. My hair is rugged and rough because I'm out there helping other people. I have not put in enough time in myself and my family. So this season, the last 2 weeks of December is going to be straight family time and just time to relax and take care of myself. Look at my hair. Look at my hair. Oh my God. My hair look rough and rugged. But you know, I'm not complaining. But I just want people to know that I'm putting way more into other people who sometimes are really, some of them, not appreciative as they should be. But I'm doing it from my heart, so you know that don't stop me. The work will go on. I'm a little bit drained, a little bit tired, but I'm still, you know, still pressing on, and I will continue for as long as I can to help the people who most need the help. Yeah. So that's it, guys. That was another update on my farming here in Jamaica, Shan Zenzen Jamaican Vibes Farm. Remember to like, subscribe, and share my vlog channel. Yes.